Hey guys, on the Jaguar XFR, thank God today I'm just rounding up the job, and there's a lot of things which I want to show you guys. The fan is working as I suppose. Initially it wasn't speeding the way I wanted to, so but now the system running, so there are a lot of fluid which I lost, which I replaced on this side here. So I'm going to be taking some readings. You can see the reading beside the engine side. Oh, come on. Okay. 64 is dropping. It should be around 50 outside. I'm very close to the car, that's why. So it's taking the readings. Okay, let's go inside the car and see what it feels like. Show you more around. Yeah. I have to get off the car, see my luggages and the rest of them. Cars. So I'm very excited to get this car working, because all I'm hoping and looking out for that if I get it working, that I'm gonna be probably one of their best mechanics. It's playing out the way I planned it, because this is a very serious task that really got this guy freaked out. He don't know who is gonna help him fix it. It's not about the money, it's about fixing it, it's about getting it correctly. So guys, I'm gonna keep you guys posted however it goes. So far it's still dropping to 25 outside. Even at the outside temperature, I mean the outside temperature. Oh, beautiful. It's just exactly where I want it to be, so I'm not disappointed at all. Okay guys, this is a wrap up for the Jaguar XFR. This is for Mr. Cool. This is for every other guy who believe in me out there. Shout out to one of that client of mine from Lokoja yesterday, all the way from Lokoja to Abuja to meet Mr. Cool on AC issues. Okay guys, I hope to see you guys some other time. Stay ready. Bye.